Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sidia. So it's been a long time since you guys have seen this face. I know. Let's say there's no long explanation. I didn't like social media. I'm sorry. I love you guys. I really do love you guys, and I'm so thankful for all the support that you guys have given me throughout the years. But I wasn't really feeling social media like that, and while I was away I realized that hey, social media has changed a lot, and so yeah, I'm just coming back big and strong. You guys know I was trying to cut my hair, but that didn't work out, and I ended up cutting back my hair. And I have a vlog that I was trying to do while I was doing all this transformation with my hair. It failed, but I'll probably post it just to show you guys what I did. I hope you guys like this. This was a struggle to do because I haven't done my pixie cut in almost a year, so it was really struggle to get my hair like this. But hey, I pulled through, and this is what I get. I got some help to cut around the back because your girl couldn't do it. And yeah, this is my hair. So if you want to see how I did my pixie cut, then keep watching. Hey guys, I know it's been so long, but hey, let me just get right into the video. I'm gonna do my relaxer, and you guys can see I'm back to my pixie cut, and I might touch up my cut a little bit, and I'm gonna use my Affirm Relaxer, and it comes with the activator as well. So I think I'm gonna use half of this, and I have my gloves, of course. Sorry if I can't talk, it's been a while, and I feel like I'm gonna be all over the place with this video until I get back into the groove of things, but bear with me until then. I don't have no Vaseline or anything, no protector, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Don't mind me if I keep on looking this way. I'm looking at my viewfinder to ensure that I'm in focus. Okay, so I'm gonna mix my relaxer, and I'm gonna use half of the relaxer first, and if I need more then I'll go ahead and add more, but for now I'm just gonna use half. This much is in my bowl, and I'm gonna use half of the activator and stuff. So I think that's more than, I think that's half. And then I'm gonna mix. I have no particular way, I just go ahead because my hair is short and I always cutting my hair anyway, so if you don't have a pixie cut, don't relax your hair like how I'm doing. Find a professional, and if you don't know what I'm doing, even if you have a pixie cut, just find a professional, because it's better for you to have healthy hair than damaged hair. But the way I'm doing it right now is not the right way, but as I say, I don't really care. I'm always gonna be cutting my hair either way, but if you're growing out your hair, don't do it like me, because by right, this is already relaxed. Relaxer shouldn't be touching it, should be just going on my new growth. But again, my hair is always gonna be cutting, so it doesn't matter. From in my case, just putting that up there. So do what I say, not what I do. I'm gonna use a brush now because I need to get the remainder of this in my hair. And even when you go to a professional, they sometimes, some of them use brushes. I think in hair school that's what I was taught, to use brush. So I'm gonna comb through my hair, and I'm only doing this because I couldn't see the back of my hair, so I don't know if it got to every strand and my roots properly. If I did care, I wouldn't be doing this. By right, you're not supposed to comb through your hair. You should just smooth it out. But again, I have short hairs, and then I'm doing it by myself. So do what I say, not what I do. Get a professional. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'm gonna use the Isoplus neutralizing shampoo. So I'm gonna use this and wash my hair 3 times, and each time I'm gonna leave it in my hair for 5 minutes. I don't remember the girl who I watch a relax, and she does this. So I'm gonna put her name in the like on the screen to give her credit. If you don't wash your relaxer out properly, it will break your hair. Then I'm gonna go in with my Redken Acidic Bonding shampoo and conditioner. I don't know if you guys can get this. I got this from Salon Century because you know I'm a licensed hairstylist, so I have access to those type of store. If you know a friend that can get it for you, then sure, this is really good. It's just something that I really like on my hair. It helps with damaged processed hair, and obviously this is chemically processed. It's similar to Olaplex, to be honest. It's like Olaplex pretty much. So I'm gonna go in with the shampoo twice, and then I'm gonna go in with the conditioner. I'm gonna leave the conditioner in my hair for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. So now I'm going to mold my hair, but I'm not gonna mold my hair in the way that I would style it. It's easier for me because I'm cutting my hair myself to kind of mold it down so I can see what I'm doing instead of like just cut it before I relax it. So I'm gonna mold it down. Because I'm going underneath the dryer, of course I'm gonna use my heat protector, and I'm using the Mizani Style Shifter heat screen, a few pumps. And also I've been using this mousse, wrap foam mousse. It's in a Nairobi bottle, but it's not Nairobi. My friend gave me some because she's a hairstylist and she wanted me to try it because she said it's really good and it's better than Nairobi. I think it's called Influenza or something like that. I don't remember the name. I'll put the name on the screen so you guys can know. But I really like it so far. Like I really like it. But I have it in this bottle because yeah. I'm gonna use my wrap strip. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer, let it dry, and then I come back and finish. Okay, so I am finished drying my hair, so now I'm gonna start to cut. I haven't cut my hair by myself in such a long time, and I'm very nervous. Let's see what I do here. I don't think I'm gonna cut this part. I'm mostly gonna focus on the front because the last time my hair cut, it was a little bit too short on the side. So now that I relax it, it's like the perfect length for me. So what I'm gonna focus on is the perimeter and the front. So what I'm gonna do is just take out some of my hair at the front right here, and I'm just gonna give myself a little bit of shape. So I'm gonna do a point cut method. I'm also gonna bring this up. I'm gonna So when I do my swirl, it's not like I have so much hair to work with, because I don't like it. I don't know. I just don't like it. Don't mind my finger position and my hand position, because you can see, I'm doing this by myself, so it's harder to do it on myself than if I'm doing it on somebody else. My finger position wouldn't be like this if I was doing it on someone else. So don't mind how I'm holding my fingers or the shears. Another thing, I don't like when my sideburns are too long. I just have a specific way how I like my hair to look. So I'm gonna put around my ears. I'm gonna use this little thing to kind of slightly blend right here. And I like to cut around the perimeter, like in a way that not around the perimeter, around my hairline, like how my hairline shapes. Because if you realize that it goes out and then it comes in, that's the reason why I'm kind of shaping it like how my hairline is. I find that I get a better style when I do that. This sideburn is a little bit longer than the other one. I think I'm gonna keep it like that, even though it seems like it's a little bit long. I feel like I probably cut a little bit too much from this, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna try and do this off camera, but you see how nice my hair looks already? Ooh, my hair looks so nice already. I feel like I cut way too much from right here. Okay guys, so I finished washing my hair again. So now I am going to do my last mold. I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, and this is Mizani 25 Miracle Milk leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna go in with my heat protector spray. Then I'm gonna go in with my wrap lotion and work that into my roots. I'm gonna go in with some foam again, just on the perimeter. Now I'm gonna start to do my sweep. So then I'm gonna get my wrap strip. So I'm gonna use this brush, not brush, comb, and I'm going to comb through my hair and style it the way I want it. Then I'm gonna use my brush. I don't really like when my hair is too like curly, like too much curls. You guys already know. So just gonna brush it.